In this quick video, we're going to walk through the process of adding a job address to an existing customer in your Gas Engineer software account. This works both on the web portal and the mobile app, but we'll start with the web portal, which is what we have open here already. There are a few different ways to add a job address, all of which are perfectly viable and purely depend on your personal preference. The first way that you could add a job address is to click on this orange Create New button in the top right-hand corner of any page. Clicking on this will open a pop-up, and all you have to do is click on the job address option, search for the customer that you want to add the job address for, and then click Create. This will take you to the job address editor where you can add the address or even copy the customer address if necessary and add any notes relevant to that address. You can also add the gas service due date for the address here. Note that if you ever issue a service reminder or a safety certificate, this will automatically update for you after issuing that. Once you're done, simply click Save and that job address will be added underneath that customer's account. The second way you could add a job address in the system is to go to your job address list and click the Add Job Address button in the top right hand corner of this page. Again, you'll be prompted to search or find a customer. Once you've found the customer you want to add the job address for, simply type in the details, add any notes, add the gas service due date as necessary, and if the occupant is different to the address owner, you can add their details there as well. Again, click Save to keep this progress. The third and final way that you could add a job address is to go to the customer's page in your software. So let's say we want to add an address for this customer. Once we're on their page, on the right-hand side, you can see several different options, one of which being to add a job address. Clicking on this button just means that the software already knows who you want to add a job address for. You don't have to select it. As you can see here, it's grayed out. Again, fill out the details as necessary, add notes, add the occupant's details, and click Save. And that's it. You can see all your different job addresses from your job address list here, as well as the customer that is responsible for. Now we're going to walk through the same process on the mobile apps. So once you've opened up the app, there's two different ways you can easily do this on the mobile app. The first of which is just to simply go to your job address list and then click Add New Job Address at the bottom. Once you tap on that, you'll be prompted to select which customer the job address is for. You can simply search for their name. And then, just like on the web portal, you can fill out all the job address details here, including any necessary notes. Click Save once you're done, and that job address will be added to the customer. The second way that you could add a job address to a customer on the mobile apps is to find that customer's profile in your system. And once you've done that, if you scroll down to the bottom, there is a button to see the job addresses for that customer. And then you can click Add New Job Address here. Fill out all the details, click Save, and that job address will appear underneath that customer. And that's it.